Good day, my beautiful subscribers and followers. Today, we shall learn how to solve this simple question before us. This question is coming out from logarithm. So, we are asked to find the relation between A and B, not involving logarithm, if log A base 9 equals to 2 plus log B base 3. It is very, very simple. Remember that we have the relationship between logarithm and what? Indices. Take for instance, you have something like this. Log y base A equals to x. They ask you to take this to index form or to indices. What are you going to do? You are going to have that y equals to what? A power x. So they want us to take this guy to this form. It is very, very simple. Let's see. All we have to do here is for us to manipulate this guy to be here. So let's go. So we have that log A base 9 equals to 2 plus log B base 3. Before you can simplify this, we have to bring it down to the, we have to make sure that they have the same base. Here, the base here is 3. And if you look at 9, if we reduce 9, we can have a base of 3 here. So what are we going to do? We are going to have that log A. Remember, we can reduce 9 to 3 power 2 equals to 2 plus log B base what? 3. What next do we do? From power of base. Remember, we have one of the law of logarithm that state about power of what? Base. Whenever the base has a power, what do you do? Look at the board. If the base, you have a logarithm of a number, maybe log y and a raised to the power of x. This is the base now. And this, in this case, the base carries a power of what? X. What will be the answer? In this case, you find the reciprocal of this power and multiply by the logarithm. So you're going to have 1 over x log y base a. This is what it means. So I'm going to apply that same thing here. So you're going to have that 1 over 2 log a base 3 equals to, remember that here I can write this as 2 log 3 base 3, because the logarithm to its own base is always equal to 1. For example, you have log a base a, the answer is 1. Log 3 base 3, the answer is 1. It means that what I have written here is the same thing as saying 2. So plus log b base 3. What next do we do? Take this to this side. Remember, we have this law. Whenever you multiply the same number with the logarithm, with log y base a, the answer is going to be what? Log y. You take down this to this side. Y squared divided log y squared base what? A. That is what it means. So I'm going to put the same thing here. So I'm going to have here that I'm going to have that log a raised to the power of 2 or 1 over 2 base 3 equals to log 3 power 2 base 3, then plus log b base 3. So we continue. I'm going to apply addition law of logarithm here. Remember from addition law that if you have log b base a plus log pure base a, that the answer is what? Log b pure base a. So I'm going to apply that same rule here. So I'm going to have log a 1 over 2 base 3 equals to, apply the law. You remember that 3 squared is what? Is 9. I'm going to have log base 3, 9 times what? B. Alright, look at this. They have the same logarithm. So we can go with this. Abi? So we can now have that a 1 over 2, that a power 1 over 2 equals to 9 times b. In this case, what do we do? Remember that this 1 over 2 is the same thing as saying square root of what? A equals to 9 times b. But I want to remove this square root. We can square both sides, right? we have A all what? Square equals to 9, B all square. So this one will go with this one, and now left with A equals to 9 square is what? 81, B square is B square. So this is the answer in the form of this. It is very, very simple. Please don't forget to share this video. Bye bye.